Look at this.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
See him, kid?
Second marine mammal rule they like to break is, well, you will swim fast. As you can see, manatees are rarely in a hurry, but they can do at a pretty good clip if they need to. Oh, that's much better. There's one right back here coming to the surface. It looks like it's going to munch on some of the plants that are caught on the propeller. How lovely. Oh wow, here's a great photo op.
Okay.
Look at that.